Hey everyone, I am Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a kitchen tool that is about to make your meals bigger and better, the extra large air fryer from Beelicious Pro. If you are tired of small air fryers that can only fit a few pieces of food or ovens that take too long to cook for the whole family, this one is your simple way to cook lots of crispy food with less oil and more space. Picture air frying a whole chicken, a big batch of fries, or even a small turkey all at once. Perfect for big families, holiday meals, or anyone who wants to feed a crowd without the mess. No more cooking in batches or using lots of oil. This extra large air fryer makes cooking easy, fast, and full of flavor. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the extra large air fryer from Beelicious Pro is a must for home cooks and party planners. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this big cooking buddy. The extra large air fryer from Beelicious Pro has a 22 quart capacity that fits a 12-pound turkey or 2 chickens at once with 10 functions like air fry, roast, bake, grill, dehydrate, proof, and reheat for different meals. It uses 1700 watts to heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, and the digital touchscreen sets time and temp with presets for chicken, fries, and more. The basket is non-stick with a rotisserie spit and dehydrator racks for even cooking, and the door has a window to check food. The outside is stainless steel, measuring 19 inches wide, 16 inches deep, 14 inches tall, and weighing 28 pounds for stable use on counters. It has a light inside and comes with a basket, spit, racks, drip tray, and recipe book. It has a 1-year warranty and runs on standard 120 volts. Price is around $150, a great value for the size and power it brings to your kitchen. Okay, now for the real scoop. Pros and cons after cooking everything from turkey to treats. Pros first. Number 1, the 22 quart size fits big meals for 8 to 10 people. Number 2, 10 functions mean it does frying, baking, and drying in one spot. Number 3, air fry uses little oil for healthy crisp. Number 4, non-stick basket and parts clean easily in the dishwasher. Number 5, digital screen and presets make it simple for all. Number 6, rotisserie for whole birds turns out juicy. Number 7, window and light let you see without opening. Number 8, recipe books give ideas to start. Number 9, fast heat for quick meals. Number 10, warranty for first year piece. Now cons, because balance is key. 1, the $150 price is mid-range, not the lowest. 2, 28 pounds makes it hard to move. 3, a big size needs counter space. 4, the door gets fingerprints. 5, no steam function for moist food. 6, cord short for some setups. 7, 1-year warranty basic. 8, fan noise a bit loud. 9, best for a flat counter. 10, presets good but not all recipes. But here's the truth. The pros make it a winner for most. If you cook for 4 to 8 people a few times a week and want big, healthy meals, this fits perfectly. Not for small apartments or low budgets, but for family cooking, it is a yes. So my recommendation, get the extra large air fryer from Beelicious Pro today. It feeds the crowd easily. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your family will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more kitchen tips and click the link to support us. What is your big meal idea? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.